Walking in the village and hiking in nature bring about a journey of tranquility embraced by the natural surroundings. With each step taken along the paths, accompanied by the murmuring stream and the chirping of birds, one harmonizes with the rhythm of nature. The clean scent of oxygen rising from beneath the earth fills the lungs and purifies the soul. Walking through the quiet streets of the village, one distances oneself from the noise of the modern world. Rows of buildings are replaced by flower fields and orchards. Concrete gives way to nature adorned in myriad shades of green. Walking in nature reconnects individuals with their roots. Amidst the concrete jungle, one might feel lost, but in nature one finds oneself anew. Dancing to the melodies of birds on the branches of trees, feeling the caress of the wind, one rediscovers oneself in nature, restoring inner balance. Sitting beneath trees reaching towards the sky, one listens silently to the songs of birds and whispers of the wind, embarking on an inner journey enveloped by the embracing silence of nature. Tranquility resides in the arms of nature. The stress and noise of modern life fade away, replaced by serenity and peace. Walking through the tranquil streets of the village, one becomes enchanted by the timeless charm. Hours and minutes lose significance. Closing one's eyes, one feels the heartbeat of nature. Sitting on a stone, admiring the beauty surrounding you, one finds inner peace. In the arms of nature, tranquility is reborn with each step. Walking in the village is also an adventure filled with discoveries. At every corner, a new landscape, a new surprise awaits. The delicate touch of a flower, the flutter of a bird's wings, the dance of a butterfly. Nature constantly surprises and enchants. The journey you walk is not just physical, but also a spiritual voyage of discovery. Reconnecting, rediscovering, rebirthing. Walking in the village provides all of these. In conclusion, walking in the village is a ritual of purification for the body, soul, and mind. Listening to the sounds of nature, becoming one with it, finding inner peace, and embarking on a discovery-filled adventure are all possible in the embracing silence of nature, far away from the chaos of the modern world. In the rest of the video, you can find peace with music. Thank you for watching.